started to set up a camp about 50 yards over there, but I figured I don't think the snow's going to be deep enough to do what I was hoping to do. I think I'm going to build, I've heard it called a snow bunker. Dig down, throw my cot down in there, maybe build up the sides just a little bit. But yeah, I wasted a little time on that shelter over there. It didn't pan out, so got to make this one pretty quick. Kind of feels like I'm digging myself a grave. Alright, have 3 sides covered. Yeah, I just need to get in, clean in the inside, and then I can throw in the cot. I think it's gonna work out pretty well. Alright, it's getting dark pretty quick. Just got the bunker or grave dug out pretty well. It's pretty flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the cot up. Ah, nice. Keep this thing going. Alright, super simple tonight. I'm just doing a piece of salmon. A little bit of seasoning on there. Well, my gourmet meal is finally done. Cooked up some salmon. Turned out pretty good, actually. Skillet was way too hot when I threw it on there, but turned out good. A little small piece of salmon and a can of red beans. Already just wrapped up dinner. Got all my bedding laid out in there. You see, kind of just nice little grave, little bunker. Blocking the entrance with this. Obviously, still have to get in there. And this dry bag. Really protected from the wind. The wind's coming from back that way, this way. So protected from the wind. Probably gonna put this fire out and then hop in bed. All right, I managed to squeeze into both bags. Sleeping on a cot tonight, and then I just have a little switchback. Body's pretty warm, but my feet are a little chilly, so I think I might throw a jacket down in the bottom of my sleeping bag. Supposed to get down to -1 tonight, and the high today was 21 Fahrenheit. Super cold. Coldest weather I've ever been in, period, let alone camping. I brought my Yeti cooler with me this time, so I have water in there. It's not going to freeze, hopefully. Shouldn't. Yeah, it's supposed to snow a little bit at like 2 a.m. Tents or tarps might sag a little bit, but that's alright. Really not much else to do besides go to sleep, because every second I spend outside of these bags is pretty damn cold. Yeah, I think I'm going to head to sleep. At least try. Probably won't be able to for a while, but at least I'll be warm. If you guys are liking the video so far, go down there, subscribe. I appreciate it. And see you in the morning. Good morning. I got up pretty early. I got up early, just put on snowshoes and started walking around. I was so cold. It rained or snowed about 2 inches last night. It's snowing right now, just a little bit, but freezing. My toes have never been this cold. I was gonna go ahead and make a big fire this morning, but I was just like, I want breakfast, some coffee, and I want to get moving because I'm freezing. Luckily, I brought this big hoodie in my dry bag. This one's really warm, so my body's fine, but it's just my toes. Really just wanted to challenge myself this trip and not bring a little stove or a tent. It was a challenge for sure. But we got through the night. Hopefully we can get breakfast out of this little stove. It was interesting to say the least. The little snow bunker worked out decent. I didn't get snow on me at all, so only problem is it was a little low for that cot. And I think why I was so cold is because I brought the cot. It's such a stupid idea, because basically what the cot does is it's lifting you off the ground, so it's letting that cold air come right under you, which is basically sucking all the heat from your body. It's dead silent this morning too. I can hear cars from the road, and the road's like a mile and a half away. Yesterday was loud. It was just trees, and it was windy, like a little bit. Down here it wasn't too bad, but the trees were definitely blowing around. It's almost there. We're so close. Nicely done. Eat this as quick as I can. Just brought some oatmeal with peanut butter, Nutella, and some pecans. Alright, that's about a wrap for this little camping adventure. It's starting to snow pretty heavy right now. Skies are opening up a little bit, so it's really pretty. Snow's only getting deeper, and if you remember from earlier in the video, it's not easy walking through this stuff. It's super fresh, so I'm sinking like 3 feet at some points in this stuff, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Got down to -1 last night. And it sure felt like it. It really did. But it was fun. It was interesting. Definitely a challenge for myself. Can't say this is my favorite trip ever, but it was definitely a learning experience. Don't sleep on a cot when it's -1. It's not the move. But yeah, got about a mile to go out of here. Gonna work through this snow and get back. The tracks from yesterday are already covered up a little bit, but anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace.